I've been getting my bread, getting my bread, getting my bread, getting my bread. I've been getting my bread, 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 getting my bread. I've been getting my bread, 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 getting my bread. I've been getting my bread, 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 getting my bread. I've been getting my bread, getting my bread, getting my bread, getting my bread. I've been getting. Okay, so what it do, y'all? I ain't been on this here camera in quite some time, you know. I ain't been recording, I've been slacking. But all of y'all keep asking me, how do you use this? This is the Booty Plumper, okay? This helps you build your butt. You know, for the ones that don't want to work out, y'all being lazy, you don't have time to make it to the gym, you just need to get a few, you know, squats or something in, you don't have a lot of time, you can take this anywhere. It's a little heavy. It's probably about, I would say about 3-4 pounds. Not, you know what I'm saying? Let me take my jacket off. I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to use this. Okay, so this is, like I said, the Booty Plumper, and you can use this for your butt. It also helps for like that, you know, if you're trying to get that gap at the bottom or your thighs rubbing. I'm gonna show you the way you can use it that way. You put it this way, see, like this. It has like a little, this thing right here in the middle where you can make it harder, you can make it, you know, more loose, or that you can tighten it up so that it gives you a better grip when you go to squeeze your inner thighs or the back of your butt. So for the front part, you just put it here. I know it look funny. Make sure it's all the way, you know, like tucked, gripped up under there, here, and you squeeze this way. Like I said, it helps with like the your inner thigh area here. If you do it the other way, which like this, you turn around and you're needing the back part, instead of going like this, you're going to go like this, so that this part here is now cuffed. The back part is like up under your butt, and then this part comes out in the front, and it would be, hope y'all can see, like this. And then you just squeeze. Make sure that it's cuffed. Hopefully y'all can see this because I can't really see behind me. And you squeeze. Like this part should be squeezing. It is so hard for me to do this and make sure y'all can see, but basically y'all get it. You should be squeezing like the inner part. This shit is hard for me to make sure y'all can see this part from the back, but yeah. So this is, it works two ways. Like I say, you can make it more durable, you can make it, you know, easier to use, you can make it harder to use. Gradually, as you keep going and progress, what it does is it rounds out like this part, and then when you're doing this like in the middle, I don't know if y'all can see, some of y'all or me, because I've been gaining weight, but got that little hank heel at the bottom, you know, that little booty part down there that, you know, when girls got the little short booty crack and then it'd be like little right there. Yeah, so this will help round all of that out, and it's going to help lift your butt and give you, like, you know, a cuff instead of those butts that they making and they just adding like all the fat up here, and then it's like no cuff at the bottom. I don't know what kind of butt that is, but you know, it's like y'all want this, like the cuffy parts, the cuff, you know, like a real butt has a cuff and it hang a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what this is for. So go on my website, it is available. Like I said, it is the Booty Plumper, and you know, let's get it in. Summer's coming. Come on, ladies. Squats, not shots. You know what I'm saying? No shade to you BBLs. I'm all for it if that's what y'all want to do. I'm scared. I don't need it. I'm good. I'll continue. Might no meat. Might eat my lettuce and my grass. And yeah, let's eat. I've been getting my bread. Getting my bread. Getting my bread.